over there. We're in that door, and it blowed all the way over there. And the trees are bending super sideways. So this is a really big windstorm video I'm making. You can hear the trees because it's extremely windy. It's like 30 miles per hour winds. Look at that. I want to show you the bottom of the tree because I'm sure the bottom of the tree is like really having the whole thing moving. Wow, here, let me record it to you in the ground. Here, let's see. Yeah, you know what? In the video, it doesn't look like the ground is moving. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit the like button or hit the subscribe button so I would make more videos. So I will see you then. Bye!